Check out the new range of Kango masonry chisels that have just hit the Bunnings aisles. Available in 8 different sizes, from a pointed tip right through to a 115mm blade. The bladed masonry chisels have a 45-degree cutting angle with purposely designed lengths for splitting bricks, removing floor tiles, and channeling out for pattress boxes. These pointed chisels are great for preparing seams in concrete for repairs. The striking end is chamfered to prevent cracking on the chisel end when you're bashing away. The chisel body is made from a chrome vanadium steel, which means it's built to take a beating. While you're bashing away, you'll appreciate the ergonomic contoured handle, which helps reduce vibration and improves comfort and grip. Kango also has bolsters that have an overstrike protector that help keep your hands safe from an inaccurate swing. This new range of Kango masonry chisels will no doubt bolster your output. Grab yours from Bunnings today.